everything that came inside the box besides a user manual. We have the ice maker itself right here. We have the water filter, the drain, the ice cube scoop, and then we have all the spare and extra parts you'll need for full assembly. So you can see we have this temporary setup outside the sink so you can get an idea of what this looks like and how it works. We just got it plugged in and ready to go, set up with the filter. But I do like that there's actually 2 ways you can use this. I like that you can use this as a tap water connection, which is what we have it set up as right now. But you can also use it as a top load water bottle connection. That's where you have your water jug that you insert into this hole right up on top. So I love that it has those 2 different options depending on your specific situation. We just got it going on our first load of ice here. Right in the front of the machine, we have the little machine operations buttons. We have the on and off button right here. Right here is a plus and minus button. This is gonna adjust the ice making time. This reservation button right here, you're gonna press this button to put it in standby mode. This is gonna be, for example, like an auto turning on time. And you can set this up anywhere from the hours of 0 to 23 hours in the future. And you can use these plus and minus buttons to adjust that. This one is also a clean button. So you're just gonna press and hold that button for 5 seconds. And it's gonna enter the cleaning mode. And that's gonna take about 5 minutes. This hot button right here on the bottom, when the unit is actually making ice cubes, you can press this button for more than 5 seconds. And the unit will actually switch to ice harvest process by force. And you can also use this to turn on and off the blue light. This number right here is going to be the amount of minutes until the next ice drops. The really nice thing about this is that it does have a reservation available. You can have your ice in here, it can fill up, which is going to be so nice. You can use your ice scoop. I like that this system does remove lime scale on the cleaning cycle. And because of that cleaning cycle, it just helps to keep this ice machine really nice and clean and healthy. I do like that you can actually choose your ice thickness. If you have your ice timer set to 8 minutes, it's going to be thinner ice. It's going to be perfect for things like quick chill drinks. If you have it set it on the medium setting at 12 minutes, it's going to make a medium thickness ice. That's going to be perfect for your everyday beverages. Then if you have it set to 16 minutes, it's going to make your thicker ice, and that's going to be perfect for slow sipping drinks. Just for size reference, this is 13.8 inches across. It comes out from the wall 13.2 inches. And it has 22.4 inches tall. You can see it's running right now, and it's really nice and quiet compared to other ice machines, which I really like. It does have triple layer insulation, a premium quiet compressor. Let me go ahead and let this run, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's fully filled up. Okay, so you can see this is completely full of ice cubes, and this actually can make up to 90 pounds of ice a day, which is so cool. It drops 36 cubes of ice per cycle, and it actually can go for 100 plus cycles a day. It has 22 pounds of ice storage in this ice machine itself right here. So as you continue to use it, obviously it's going to continue to make more. Overall, I'm really impressed with the fast production of ice here. It's able to make so much ice. We're going to be able to continue to use it and not feel like we're going to run out. And I love that it turns over the ice really quickly, that you don't have to wait a long time between ice cycles.